Say we want to find the following limit. Limit as x approaching infinity, x times natural log of x plus 2 over x plus 5. If we plug in infinity for x, we get infinity, and x plus 2 over x plus 5 is 1, and ln of 1 is 0. So infinity times 0, which is indeterminate. And if we want to apply a L'Hopital rule here, we want to have a ratio, because L'Hopital rule applies only for infinity over 0 case. So what we'll do is we rely on the following thing. If we have a product of two numbers, that's the same as taking the first and divided by reciprocal of the over one. So multiplication is the same as dividing by reciprocal. So what we'll do is, in this case, we'll rather keep natural log on top, because if we do apply a L'Hopital rule down the road and we take derivative natural log will disappear. Ln of x plus 2 over x plus 5 on the bottom. And now, instead of multiplying by x, we're going to divide by its reciprocal by 1 over x. Now we're plugging in infinity for x. We get 1 over infinity, which is 0. And still ln of 1, which is 0. So now we get 0 over 0. And we got what we wanted. And we are ready to apply L'Hopital rule. So limit as x approaching infinity. Derivative 1 over x is not that difficult, negative 1 over x squared. Derivative ln is 1 over x plus 2 and x plus 5. And don't forget we're applying the chain rule, so we have to take derivative inside. And derivative inside function, quotient rule, derivative numerator is 1. A derivative denominator is 1, so we get that expression. Now we have to rely on a little bit of algebra to simplify that expression. So I will want to have just one single fraction. Negative 1 over x squared divided by, that is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. Divided by x plus 2 and x plus 5, again multiplying by reciprocal. X plus 5 squared is in the denominator. And x plus 5 minus x plus 2 is 3. After combining terms, x minus x is gone, and 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 is on top. So we'll do a little bit of algebra here. So we got limit as x approaching infinity, negative 3x squared divided by x plus 2 and x plus 5. And say at this point you do rule of thumb or L'Hopital rule twice. So we get limit as x approaching infinity, negative 3x squared. X is so much bigger than 2. 5 is so much less than x, so we get negative 3x squared over x times x, which is of course reduced into negative 3. So answer for this problem is negative 3.